Hey everyone, my name is Joe Skipper with Skipper Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty out of Oregon, and I'm at my latest listing here in Stayton. It's about 12 miles east of Salem. It's an awesome town, it's an awesome property, so I wanted you to see it up close and see what you can get for just under $900K. This is over 13 acres, cross-fenced, has a spring-fed pond right as you can see behind me, a creek that borders the property. It's got a 4-stall barn, got hay production, hay storage, RV storage, a shop. The home is a single level 3-bedroom 2-bath home that's been updated. So tons of stuff to list, tons of stuff to see. So I wanted to show you guys what you could get for just under $900K in Stayton. Okay, let's go take a look. Okay, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you want to see this in person, shoot me a text or give me a call and we can set up a showing for you privately. Thanks.